Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your Rodriguez Mamasigari channel, a faith healer, also material. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 18 hanggang December 24 for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kano na kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aquarius. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mga gilap? So guys, tungayin na natin at bulabugin natin anong gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. Okay, this is something the page of wands. May good news. No? May magandang balita daw dito. Ay, may parating na magandang mensahe. This is the Queen of Wands by healing. Emotional healing. Oh my goodness. Maaaring matapos na yung kalungkutan or either problema mo. No? Parang mapufulfill to ng kaligayahan. Gana, nag-uumapaw ng kaligayahan. And this is the Two of Wands by choices. No? Piliin mo kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto mo. No? Wag yung mga bagay na magpapaka-stress ka doon. No? Kumbaga, piliin mo yung totoong kaligayahan, yung genuine happiness. And this is something the full card, no? There's something a leap of faith. No? Kailangan mo magtiwala, manampalataya. No? Kailangan mong maniwala na lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa buhay mo ay kasama, no? Sa landas na tatahakin mo. And because let's see, and because this is something of Knight of Cups with an offer. There's an offer, guys, proposal, engagement, no, na parating sa'yo. There's a lot of phone call and messages. And because there's something, the Knight of Swords with the success driven. No, magsasuccess ka at the end of the time. May mga bagay na kailangan mo muna pagdaanan bago mo makita ang totoong resulta ng eksena. Ganun. And this is the Queen of Wands by confident. Lakasan mo loob mo lang, lakasan ang pakiramdam, ha? Huwag kang matakot at huwag kang magkaroon ng pangamba sa lahat na nangyayari sa'yo. Kailangan mo magtiwala dahil may magandang balita na maaaring ibahagi na sa'yo. At magdadala sa ito ng malakas na loob at tapang na parang iba yung kumpiyansa mo dito. Inside and out. Excuse me. Oh my God. My water. Excuse me. Water please. And this is something that will so there's something decision. Na kailangan mo mag-decision dito guys. No? Na palayain na yung lungkot sa iyong damdamin. No? Yung lungkot sa iyong kalooban. Kailangan mong pakawalan yon. Dahil there's a lot of toxicities and negativities na maaaring nagdala sa'yo ng anxieties and depression. And this, see, there's a Knight of Swords, sleepless night. So, piliin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong, mapapalaya yung mga iniisip mo. Kailangan mong makawala sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. And this is a justice card will be served. Na makukuha mo yung hustisya dito. And of course, magtiwala ka na lahat ng mga bagay na binabahagi sa'yo ay kasama sa proseso ng ating Panginoon para palakasin ka, no? At patibayin ka ng mga karanasan. And then, of course, there's a Knight of Cups, and the Three of Pentacles. So, this is something collaboration. There's a lot of offer. Mag-ingat ka lang sa pakikipag-coordinate, sa pakikipag-transactions, ganon. Okay. And of course, guys, there's a star card with a Knight of Swords, with a success driven. Magsasuccess ka. No, there's just something, a miracle. May mga biglaan na pagsaasa ng ating gabay, no? May pag-asa dito na maaaring ibigay sa'yo ng ating gabay. Nabibilis ang takbo ng eksena. Na parang magiging, parang yung mga inisip mo biglang gagaang na kagad. No? Parang there's just something himala talaga na parang pinakawalan yung mga iniisip mo. Ganon. And there's just a Six of Cups. No, there's just something, a past. a past person, a past situation na maaari nang makaalis ka at makalaya ka na. May magandang balita ha, na maaari there's a phone call then with something an ex. Na-sense ko may matatanggap kang phone call with an ex. And because this is something the Emperor. Being mature enough and being grounded dito, guys. No, maging mature ka. Lahat ng mga bagay na malalaman mo, lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo, kailangan bukal sa kalooban mo yung lahat ng desisyon na gagawin mo. There's something ang past kasi na maaaring bumalik, na maaaring it's either katrabaho mo to, or either your boss. Parang ganun eh. Parang, na-inlove ka sa boss mo. Ganun. So, let's see what is the Two of Wands because the Knight of Swords. So, this is the King of Pentacles. So, this is something practicality. No? Kailangan maging practical ka, ha? May hinihintay kay. I think this is something a boss na na-inlove ka. Oh my God. So, let's see what is the Fool card because the Justice card. Represent with the King of Swords. Being wise, and because being wise and of course logic, being intelligence sa lahat ng gagawin mo actions, lahat ng gagawin mo decision. There's a Fool card for a new beginning. There's a Justice card with karma, Maaring, kumbaga sinasabi dito, a good karma for you. And there's a Six of Wands where a victory is yours. Magtatagumpay ka. There's an offer talaga. Merong offer dito na maaaring dati mong a boss na maaaring magkaroon kayo ng communication. And there's boss na maaaring magkaroon ng relationship. Ganon. Parang, oh my God. Maaaring magkakaroon kayo ng transaction or messages or something communication ng boss mo na maaaring yun pala may gusto rin pala sa'yo. Na maaring nagkaroon ng unfinished business. This is something that I resorted because the Star card represents the Wheel of Fortune with a good luck. There's a destiny is yours. Talagang, para sa'yo talaga to. There's a hope. Dati na wala ka na pag-asa na nakala mo, this is something the end. Na parang, alam mo, parang thought ka, parang ganon. Parang akala mo hanggang dun lang, parang nawala na kagad. Diba? Pero hindi There's something returning to the roots. Talagang binalikas ko saan talaga nang galing, no? What is the outcome? Represent with the Magician. See, power of God. Manifestation. Lahat ng mga bagay na mangyayari, this is something of magic. No? This is a power of magic. And this is something the Knight of Wands, something a silence. No? Parang nasa tagal ng mga hinintay mo, ito na yung malapit ka na sa tamang eksena. There's a Ten of Wands, parang matatapos. There's a relocation. There's a relocation na ako nakita. Maglilipat bahay ka or maglilipat ka ng lugar. And this is a Strength card, confident. Lakas naman loob mo lang. Matapangan mo lang. So let's see guys, what is additional messages for finances and career? There is a Seven of Cups with opportunities. Maraming opportunity na papasok sa pagdating sa business o trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. And there is a Three of Wands waiting for some relationship. Ito yung hintay mong makakapag-travel ka ulit. Now, there's a trouble, and of course, there's something transactions. And the Seven of Pentacles with a harvest time, ito yung hinintay mo na Maraming opportunities na dumarating sa'yo, pero may hinintay kang isang bagay. So, ito na, dumating na. Let's see additional messages pagdating sa love life. So, this is the Hierophant. So, this is something a lesson learned. Natuto ka na. And of course, this is something a marriage then. Now, this is something proposal that brings you something, higher level commitment. And this is see, for of us, may celebration wedding. Diba? Sabi ko na. May ikakasal. May ikakasal talaga. There's a spiritual path there. And, I told you, the Ace of Cups. Sabi ko na May diba? In love ka This is it. Additional messages tayo pagdating sa health. There is a Five of Cups na maraming pinanghinayak. Isa sa nagbigay stress sa ito. There's the Four of Pentacles, saving money, protect your power, protect your energy. Kaya protection at pangalaga mo rin sarili mo. Kung ayaw mo ulit mawala yung external, there's the word your trouble. Nagbigay stress sa iyo to. O maaring natapos yung kontrata mo, tapos umuwi ka ng Pilipinas, tapos hindi na kayo nagkaroon ng communication. But definitely, parang nirenew ka or nagkaroon ulit ng eksena, maaring bumalik ka or siya ulit yung kumuha sa'yo. Ang ganda ng story, guys. This is something a love story na parang napapanood ko lang to sa Ang ganda. So, let's see what is additional messages with Yin and Yang Oracle card. Naging love reading tuloy ang atake nitong reading mo, in fairness. Pero there's something, pinagdaanan pa din eh. This is something in Ace of Earth, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. May kinalaman ka sa Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and this is something taking action. Kailangan nyo kumilos, gumalaw ha. Kung ayaw mo no, di ba, kung ayaw mo na ulit maghintay na matagal, no? Hindi pwedeng kapabebe ka dito. And this is something guilt and sabotage. No? Magkakaroon ng sabotage dito kapag pinakawalan mo at talagang, di ba? Kumbaga nagkaroon ng distansya eh. Nagkaroon dito ng guilt. Parang guilt sa sarili. I think so. Nagkaroon ng sabotage dahil din sa nangyari. Ikaw din yung gumawa ng eksena para isabotahin yung sarili mo. There is a distance na parang malayo kasi kayo sa isa't isa. Maaaring ngayon magtagpo na ulit kayo. Oh, yung ganda. What is the magical fairy messages represent what? Dietary change. So, kailangan mo mag-diet, guys, ha? And there's an affirmation. Positive thought create a positive result. Diba? Always being optimistic. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels pagdating sa Mystic Love Oracle deck. Mystic Love Oracle deck represent a fated meeting. Diba? This is an important connection. Talagang, oh my God! This is talaga, parang nagkaroon kayo ng communication dahil it's a fated life and fated meeting, the fated relationship, or a fated love. Parang this is something, a fated destiny talaga. And this is something, sex, good times, ha? Nagkaroon kayo ng eksena, ha? In fairness. And there's a twin flame, divine intervention. Oh, pinagtagpo. Ang ganda! Pasabog! Pinagtagpo, nagkatikiman, gano'n, ng atake. Let's see what is that synchronicities. And there's a resilience, no? Kailangan magtiyaga ka, hindi pwedeng, resilience, sorry. There's a resilience, yun nga yung pagtiyaga, no? Kailangan magtiyaga ka sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. There's a father figure here. And of course, there's a prince. Dalawa pa lang, knight in shining armor mo, ha? Tatay amo, tsaka yung anak. Ay, atake mo dito, guys. And there's a summer season. Ano to? Dalawa yung tinarget mo talaga? Oh, taray mo, ha? Gandang-ganda ka dyan, ha? May face card ka. Charis, what is Archangel Michael messages? And there's a spend more time outdoors. So, kailangan mo talaga ng oras at panahon, no? Kailangan mong lumabas, pag-aangin yung utak mo. And there's a pay attention to your dreams, no? Kung ano ba talaga yung pangarap mo, kung ano ba talaga gustuhan mo, mag-pay attention ka dyan. For chakra messages represent what? Grief. There's something losses. Diba? May mga pagsisisi at panghinayang ka sa mga bagay na nawala. And because this is something completion, wag mong hayaan ulit mawala ulit. Parang ganon. And this is something forgiveness, no? Kasi nagkaroon ka ng guilt sa sarili mo eh. No? Patawarin mo na rin yung sarili sa mga bagay na nangyari. For the additional messages. And there's a yoga. Kailangan mo na massage exercise, guys. And there's an energy healing. So, kailangan mo na healing session din dito. What is the Monsology represent what? A win-win outcome forecast. So, ipapanalo mo talaga tong eksena na to. At the same time, the energy is gaining momentum. Yung bagay na to, hindi mo to makakalimutan. Oh my God, talagang tatatak talaga sa'yo ito. May kaharutan kang kasama dito, guys. What is the angel's messages? And there's an unlikely, may mga bagay na hindi mo magugustuhan. And of course, there's an remain positive. Basta maging positibo ka. No, may mga bagay na hindi ka nagugustuhan, pero gawin mo yung mga bagay na part mo. And of course, this is something look for a sign. May senyales yan. Bakit nangyayari yan? For Archangel Raphael messages. Detoxification, no? Kumbaga, kailangan linisin lahat ng mga bagay na marurumi sa'yo. Or either kailangan mo mag-detoxify sa health issues mo. Na may mga nararamdaman ka na there's a lot of toxins na. And there's a listen to your intuitive feelings. So, makinig ka sa intuitions mo. No? Kasi hindi ka ililigaw niyan. There's an inner voice niyan. And there's a forgiveness heals. No? Meron talagang kapatawaran talaga na unti-unting humilom. What is the energy represent what? The energy represent a goddess of the moon. So this is something lot of revelation. No? Maraming revelasyon. And there's the guard and the gate. Discovery. See? Di ba? Marami ka madidiscover. Maraming mga revelasyon na mailalantad dito at ibabahagi. Additional messages. And there's a doubt. Naalisin mo yung pag-alinlangan mo, ha? And there's a loneliness. Hindi ka raw nag-iisa dito. Ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. For romance angels, anong atake sa'yo ng ating mga gabay para sa pag-ibig? No? And there's a calling your soulmate. Oh, tinatawagan ng soulmate mo dito. Maaaring magtatagpo talaga kayo. And this is something romantic feeling. Talaga ipapakita yung pagmamahal nyo sa isa't isa. Oh my God. Iba yung atake mo dito. May harot ka talagang kasama. No, may tinatago kang harot at landi ka dito, no? What is additional messages? And there's a guidance insight. Na lahat ng mga bagay pasilip dito ng ating mga gabay, lahat ng mga bagay na matutuklas at makikita mo na. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there is something awareness, no? May mga bagay na mamumulat ka dito, malalaman mo na. Makikita mo na yung mga bagay na dapat mong makita. And this is something an opportunities, di ba? So, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages. And of course, this is a crack open. So, this is something surrender to the alchemy of life. So, see, kailangan pakawalan mo kung ano man yung mga bagay na nagsisilbing balakid sa dibdib mo at of course, pasakit sa nararamdaman mo. And there's a star family. No? Lahat ng mga bagay, there is a team of soul na sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit. No? There's a soul ties ako na sense, guys. Talaga, pagtatagpuin kayo on the right time, on the right place. Iba yung atake dito. For Jesus loving quotes. Tulad na sinasabi ko, parang pinanood to sa palabas dati. Parang ganun yung nangyayari ngayon. This is something, let your light so shine before men, they may see you the good work and glorify your Father which is in the heavens. So see, gawin mo yung mga bagay na dapat, gawin mo yung mga bagay na mabuti at ikabubuti ng ibang tao at ng sarili mo. Doon mo makikita yung mga taong kung paano ka i-appreciate, paano ka mahalin, at paano ka tanggapin. No? At yung mga bagay na makikita ng ating Panginoon, lahat ng mga ginagawa mo ay ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. So let's see what is an angel's number. What is the angel's number? Represent what? 13 for starting fresh. So, magsisimula ka na panibagong eksena, simula at, diba, there's a step out of your comfort zone. Kailangan mo na kumuwala sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. And you are about to create something meaningful. All your skills and talent will bring you spontaneous profit. Build your confidence and trust in your decision. Kailangan mong tiwala ka. Dahil lahat ng mga magiging decision mo, ay bahagi yan ng magiging kinabukasan mo. Tandaan mo, lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo, ayon yan sa ikabubuti mo. Kahit na masakit, mahirap, tiisin mo yan, ginusto mo yan. For messages of life, represent what? Welcoming happiness. Wini-welcome ka na dahil ito ng totoong kaligayahan na maaaring ilantad na sa'yo. Dahil ang revelasyon at ang pasabog ay maaaring gulantangin ka mismo sa harap mo. And divine love is manifesting in me, through me, and around me. It attracts all that I need for the beneficiary of my soul as I work to increase my inner light. I evolved into an imitation of love and joy. Today, I reap and welcome the happiness and beauty of all that I have sown. So, sila at mga bagay na nakita mo, makikita mo ulit yan. Lahat ng mga bagay na nakikita mo sa harap mo ay matutunghayan mo ulit yan. Marami kang bagay na makikita at marami kang bagay na malalaman dyan sa mismong harap mo. Dahil ikaw mismo ang makakatuklas at ikaw mismo ang makakatunghay. Matutunghayan. No? Matutunghayan mo ang ibabahagi sa iyo ng ating gabay dahil ito yung mga bagay na hindi mo kakalimutan. Iba yung pasabog at kilig, no? Para ka nanood sa telenovela, iba yung atake. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 18 hanggang December 24 for the sign off Aquarius. So, Aquarius, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi at makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng adsaway, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig, nag-uumapong na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!